Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another video on how you can log out of IMO account from all other devices. In case your account is logged into multiple devices, then by following this method you'll be able to log out of all of the devices that you're logged in. So all you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you'll have to open up your IMO application, and once you open up your application, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner. After you tap on it, next page, tap on settings. Once you're in this page, tap on account and security. Next page, under account and security, there are a list of options. On the second option, there's manage devices, so then tap on it. You'll be able to see list of devices that your IMO account is currently linked or logged in. So in order to log out of all of the devices that you're logged in, all you need to do is tap on the logout option right at the bottom, and then you'll be able to log out of the devices. So that is how you can log out of IMO account from all other devices. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.